Good morning students, welcome back to our class. In the last class, I have discussed regarding the calculation in Logo. We have done calculation in Logo using a print command, and that was done using some symbols. We have used some symbols like plus, minus, division symbol, multiplication symbol, and then we have done some kind of calculations in Logo using a print command. But in today's class, we will talk about doing the same calculation using a print command, but this time we will be using some mathematical operators. We will be using some mathematical operators such as sum, product, quotient, remainder, and then we will see one more, that is the relational operators, in today's class. So before proceeding, in the last class we have discussed about calculations using print command. In today's class also we will discuss regarding calculations in Logo, but this time we'll be using some mathematical operators such as sum, sum, product, 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 quotient, quotient, remainder, remainder. These are the mathematical terms, mathematical operators that we will be using, and then we will do some kind of calculations. So to proceed, look at the screen here in the input box. If I want to do calculation, that is addition, in the last class we have done using plus symbol, but in today's class we will use a particular mathematical term which is sum. So sum means addition of two numbers. If you want to find out the addition of two numbers, simply use the print command pr and then sum of, let's say, 20 space 40, and simply click execute. Simply click on execute. You will get, see, 60. 20 plus 40 is 60. Here we get 60. Why? Because the sum term mathematical operator, it adds two numbers 20 and 40, and it is being displayed with a particular statement called print statement. So we are getting a sum of two numbers. So one more example that I will show you is, simply write pr and then sum, sum, and then let's say 5 and 5. If you sum up two numbers, if you add two numbers, you will get 10. Now click on execute. See here, sum of two numbers 5 and 5 is 10. So this is what your calculations in Logo using mathematical operator is done, but this is carried out with a particular command called print command. So next we will talk about product. Product means multiplication. Product is a term, mathematical term, that is used to do multiplications. So here also, before that I will clear the text. CT, clear the text. I have cleared all the text from the output box. Now what I will write is pr, print, and then product, product, product of two numbers, let's say 4 and 5. 4 into 5, it should be 20. If you click on execute, you're getting 20. 4 into 5, that means the product of 4 into 5, the multiplication of 4 and 5 should be displayed using a print command, should be calculated using a print command, pr command. So 4 into 5 will give you a result of 20. Next example, the same thing, print product, product, product of, let's say, 10 and 10. 10 into 10 should be 100. If you click on execute, it will be 100. The result that you're getting is 100. So pr, which is calculating, doing a product multiplication of 10 and 10. 10 into 10 gives us the result 100. So this is all about sum and product. Now two more things we will discuss using mathematical operator is, one is quotient and the other is remainder. Now what is quotient and what is remainder? So when you do some kind of division, when you do a calculation on division, So three things you will have to always keep in mind. Three things you will have to remember. First is, what do you mean by dividend? What do you mean by quotient? What do you mean by remainder? So here dividend means the number that is divided is called dividend or dividend. Whatever we call dividend or dividend. So the number that is divided, remember, the number that is divided is called dividend, whereas the number which the dividend is being divided is called a divisor. I will show you one small example which is called dividend, which is called divisor. And then last one, the answer to a particular division problem is quotient. The answer that you get by dividing some number with another number or one number with another number, if you get the result is your quotient. And if that particular number is not completely divided, you will get a remainder. If a particular number is not completely divided by a particular number, then you will obviously get a remainder. So you will have to keep in mind what you mean by dividend or dividend. One is divisor and remainder. Divisor, which divides the dividend, and the dividend is which is divided by a divisor. And then you will get a quotient. Quotient means the result after dividing or after division, the result that you get is your quotient. And finally, if that particular number is not divided properly, then it is called a remainder. I will show you, I will tell you one small example I will give you, and in that particular example I will show you which is dividend, which is divisor, which is quotient, and which is your remainder. So this is all about using a print command and using some mathematical operators. Let's see about quotient and remainder. I said that quotient means the answer that we get, and remainder means whenever a particular number is not completely divisible by a particular number, we get a particular value, and that value is called your remainder. We'll see the example of quotient as well as remainder. So to do this, print PR quotient, QUOTIENT, and then let's say the value is 6 and I'm going to divide it by 2. So here 6 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. 6, the value 6 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. That means the value 6 will be divided by a divisor value 2. So if you click execute, you're getting the value 3. That means 6 is divided by 2 how many times? 3 times. 6 is divided by 2 how many times? 3 times. The output that we are getting is 3. I said that quotient means the answer that we get after dividing a particular value by a particular divisor. Here the dividend is 6. I'm dividing it by 2 divisor and I'm getting an answer which is a quotient. The value is 3. So this is what your quotient is all about. Next, we'll talk about remainder. Remainder means if a particular number dividend, when divided by a divisor, any value is not fully divided, so we get a particular value which is remainder. See, for example, PR and then remainder, 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 PR remainder, you divide 5 by 2, you will get a remainder 1. So the remainder is 1. That means when you divide 5 by 2, 5 is 2 times, when 2 times if you make, you will get a 4. 2 into 2 is 4, and you get one value as remainder, and that value is your 1. So the remainder is the value that we get after dividing a particular number and which is not completely divided, and we get a particular remainder. So this is the example of quotient and remainder. One more we will see, that is using the print command, how to use a relational operators. See here, relational means you're going to compare two things. Relational operator means you are going to check whether two things are similar or not, whether one is greater than the other, or whether the one is smaller than the other. So this is possible with the help of relational operators. So I will show you an example regarding relational operators. For example, if you want to find out whether two numbers are equal or not, or if you want to find out whether among two numbers one is greater, or if you want to find out among two numbers one is less, so you will probably have to use a particular operator called relational operators. And remember, relational operators will always give you the result in true or false. In true or false manner, the result will be true. If two numbers are equal, you will get the result as true. If two numbers are not equal, you will get the result as false. So let us see one particular example. Before that, let me clear the output box CT. Okay, I have cleared. Now let's see, print 45 equals to 45. Here 45 is equals to 45. Yes, obviously it is true. It should be true. So if you click execute, you will get a result true. So you are getting a particular result true. Why? Because 45 is equals to 45. Here the equal to symbol is called relational operator. Here the equal to symbol, greater than symbol, less than symbol, they are called relational operators. Next I will show you print print 5 is less than 6. See, 5 is less than 6. What result should you get? Yes, of course 5 is less than 6. Execute, you are again getting the result as true. You are again getting result as true. Now if I show you another example, let's say PR 5 is greater than 6. If you give 5 is greater than 6, how 5 is greater than 6? There is no question of 5 being greater than 6. There is no question. So here you should get false. If you click on execute, you are getting false as the result. So this equal to and then less than, greater than symbols, these symbols are called relational operators. Relational operators helps us to find out the relationship between two numbers. It helps us to find out the relationship between two numbers, whether two numbers are equal, whether one number is smaller than the other number, whether one number is greater than the other number. So these are the three things that are used in calculation in Logo using some commands such as relational operators, okay, that is equals to, greater than, less than, and they are being executed with a particular command called print command. So these are the things that we have seen. This was the last part of this particular topic. You go through this particular topic. If you find any problem, you can straightway contact me for any kind of queries. So these are all about your chapter number 7, and it all tells about drawing and some kind of calculation in MSW Logo. So that's all in today's class. So we will see you in the coming classes if you proceed with the next classes. So this much is enough for you as of now. So thank you.